Afternoon and welcome to vlog 13 down here at the Quarry in Essex in the quest to catch the magnificent seven. Yeah, back down here after a few days away. Managed to sneak in another couple of nights before I head away to Cornwall, and yeah, I'm back in dugout. The reason I'm back in here is because I got here and there was a few fish showing up front this afternoon, so yeah, I'm going to get the rods out and yeah, see if we can nick one. Vlog 13, unlucky for some, maybe lucky for me. Come on, let's hope so. Oh, the rods are out. Took me quite a while as well. And when I was here last time, I've sort of gone one right out into the middle, in between the islands as far as I could get it. One as far as I could get it sort of on the left island, one as far as I get it on the right island. Just trying to get the sort of spots as well, finding spots that don't often get fished, but people can't necessarily get to. But yeah, it's hard work, but they're out there. If I get a bite in the night, certainly won't be putting them back there. I'll put them in the short spot about halfway, because last time I was getting loads of liners as well. So if that's going to happen again, then I know I can chuck one, or chuck a couple short. Fingers crossed. Let's watch this sunset. And yeah, if you're watching, come on England. Big game tonight in the semi-finals. Let's hope we can win and get to the final. Come on England. Well, it's 4:30 and the mirror rod's tore off, and yes, we are in, and it's a nice one, nice mirror. Get it all sorted. Well, this is why we come to the quarry. It's what it's all about. I caught this one quite long, and yeah, on a wafter. Tight sort of area of bait, but it's paid off. Not a lot of fish showing this morning, so you know, I don't expect to get many bites, but certainly one I've never caught before. Delta. It's come to the end of bite time. Just gone 11. So have a reel in, have a walk round, try and find some fish in some of the snags, do a bit of stalking this afternoon. Get a few supplies as normal. And yeah, I think at the moment probably stay put for tonight. Seen enough to keep me here, and because I can see quite a lot of the lake from here as well. I haven't really seen much else to go on, so more than likely going to stay in this swim. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Have a little go at one of my favourite stalking spots. There's fish sort of at the front here, but the actual snag spot that I normally fish, and I'm fishing now, I haven't even seen anything. There's so much sort of greenery here now that you can't even see in there, but they do like it in there, and they like it in there a lot, and I've had some good fish out there, even two of the Magnificent 7, so going to give it a couple of hours. It's a little bit late. I'd like to get in here about 12, 1 o'clock, but it's sort of just gone 3. So I might have missed my little window of opportunity. But worth a go. I'd like to have gone on the other side. Summers. There's a lot of fish in front of Summers, but someone's there. So yeah, we'll see what happens down here, see what sort of fish I see. And if nothing happens, I don't see much, I'll probably stay in the dugout where I am. But never say never. Certainly not with me. Oh, I didn't get nothing over in the snag spot, over in sticks. But hey, that is what it is. And I've had a move. Come round into Summers, got a couple of rods out, just out in front, one slightly to the right, and my left-hand rod, which is on a pan, is around there, onto the corner of the island. A little bit of a sneaky one, but yeah, banker spot. So yeah, hopefully something happen tonight. I'll see you in a bit. Morning. Well, after getting that stocky last night, I thought I'd be in for a few more. Loads of liners. So yeah, definitely fish here. So the move was a good one, but as of yet, nothing decent. No signs of the Magnificent 7 either. It's 5 o'clock. I'll give it here till 10, and then yeah, that'll be the end of vlog 13. So nothing amazing. It's been tough this last sort of couple of vlogs, but I'd say there's still time. And I know Ryan come out of here only a month ago, so they do come through, the old big fish. But yeah, I'll be back down for my next vlog next week as well, so let's see what happens. If nothing happens in this one, in the next one. Well, coming to the end of bite time here in vlog 13. Unlucky for some, but not that unlucky. Had that little stocky last night, loads of liners. Thought I'd get another one, but weren't to be. Had that one over in dugout on the first morning, yesterday morning, so that wasn't too bad. So didn't see any of the Magnificent Seven and no lumps, but that's the way it is. Hope to be back again next week. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time back down the quarry in vlog 14. Cheers.